the climb up. You'll need a 3-foot-long scarf or towel. Start lying face up on the floor with the scarf wrapped around the ball of your right foot, knees bent, your left foot on the floor. Hold both ends of the scarf together in your hands. Extend your right leg, keeping your foot flexed. Slowly walk both hands up the scarf as you lift your head and shoulders off the floor. Hold for a count of 2. Now lower yourself back to your starting position, walking your hands down the scarf. You'll do 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps on each side. The climb up works your rectus abdominis, the muscles that give you a nice six-pack, and your transverse abdominis, your deep abs. Be sure to keep your head neutral. Don't tuck your chin or tilt back.